What's up, guys? We're back for part 3 of the G35 refresh. Today we're going to be going over the new Origin Labo Canards. We're going to be mounting those to the bumper. Alrighty, I got one of them fitted on. I'm about to run to the hardware store because the bolts I have, I'm just using the ones that I had left over from the SFP Aero over fenders. They're just a little bit too short. They go through both holes, but there's not enough threads poking through to get any nut on the back side. So I'm just gonna go get some a little bit longer. And the plan is to do 2 bolts at the back, 2 at the front, and then at least 1, maybe 2 in the middle to prevent any wobble. Just make sure they're sturdy. But that's kind of how the fitment of them I want to rock. Is flush with the back edge. And goes out just a little bit past the lip that's on the bumper. The dailies are roaming the streets. I think we're still it smells nice and sweet in here, I think. Well, I mean, it does still smell like diff fluid a little bit. And then there's the cherry blossom air freshener. All the cherry blossom air freshener is hitting, and then I smell that. Got some extended hardware, and we're test mounting up the canard. That looks good on camera. Not sized up for it yet. Alright, so this is just after 2 bolts. You can see a little bit of a gap just in between there. There's not all the hardware installed right now, but this fits kind of awesome. So it follows the end of that perfect. And then with how this bumper already was, it has like these indentions here. And it lines up really good with the whole size of that in general. Alright, we got one side mounted. Now we're mounting up the other side. We got to make sure we get it even. Here's the technique I was doing to fit it up and still be able to move it around before I drilled any holes. I'm just taking some cheap old painter tape, looping it, sticking it. This is 3M tape as far as I'm concerned. This is gonna hold it. The fisheye lens gets like both sides of the bumper. Got like more of a bend on the flap. Really? I was wondering if it was a little bit different. Upon first glance, you can see the canard looks pretty straight there. I'm knocking it up on this side. You can see that one is not as straight there. It's bent more towards the inside, towards the bumper. I think some heat gun, we might be able to do a little correction to that. Can we try it? Yeah. Alright, after some heat gunning, we might have gotten it a little bit more straight. I think so. What we were trying at. That's like the way it stands up. That's cool. Shout out ATD Tools for the heat gun. Zip it up, I'll just throw her there and close the hood. Never mind. We got a zip tie there. We got a zip. Shit, man. Yeah, get him out the way. Yo, the spacing
on all that stuff lines up pretty good.
Yeah, that's pretty even.
That looks good. That looks proper. Yep, just needs the banana guards on the front now.
Yeah, hey, he works at Mopar.
Yeah.
You can bring me some.
Yep, we're gonna get some
Test
fresh
some.
off the lot. Oh, that looks super aggressive. Very nice.
Very nice.
Using the previous owner's self-tapper holes, we are drilling some holes to make the inserts to line up the side skirts.
One pot.
So much cleaner than self-tappers.
Alright, that's where I'm going to call it for part 3, I think, of this mini-series. We got the Origin Lab front canards on. Next episode, going to get the baseboards on the side skirts. I'm going to have a lot more time after work this week, so maybe next video is going to be a little bit longer. We'll see. I've got the Graham lights, getting the tires mounted right now, so you'll see that hopefully in the next one. And this thing's going to really come together quickly here in the next couple weeks. Because once all that is done, then I can get the wrap thrown on